Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Hugs World, today I got a boss watch face for you all to check out that I know you're gonna love. So Android Wear, eat your heart out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today, yes, I got a boss watch face for you to check out. It's by JEDR, and I'm telling you, this guy got down on this watch face. I'm gonna give him 2 thumbs up in the door. Now, this watch face here is called Hourglass Mania, and as you can tell, it has an hourglass look. The design is through the roof. Very, very unique. Now, in the always on mode, you're going to get the same look, but pretty much it's going to be a black and red theme that you're going to have in that mode. But let's go ahead. Let's take a look at this watch face and see what makes it so awesome, right? First of all, you get your digital time and you get it split. I always like the split design. Gives it some character, and you got this hourglass theme going on right here, which looks nice. In all 4 corners, you get information on your exercising steps, calories burned, miles walked or ran, and your heart rate info. Now, what you see right here for your steps, if it's all white, that shows that you have completed your goal. If you have some red in there, that means you still have more of your goal to complete. And your battery. The battery, if it's all white, that means that you're at 100%. As it starts to deplete, you're going to start to get some red in there. I'm telling you, this guy really got creative with this watch face. But that's not it. That's not where the fun ends at. I'm going to tap right here, and I can customize the color of the little dots that trickle down. Now, let me show you. It looks like a real hourglass. Can you see it? Can you see it trickling down through the little line? Beautiful. I'm telling you, the developer did an awesome job. But I can customize the watch a little bit more. If I tap in the far corner over here, I can change the color of the watch face. Very nice. Now, if I want to change the outline of it, just tap right here, and I can change the color. I could go through so many different colors. This is a boss watch face. It has 13 of these in all for this one as well. I mean, you can go through and just customize this to the fullest. And if I tap here, I can get my messages. You can also get information on S Health as well. This is a beautiful, and I do mean beautiful, watch face. Listen, if you want to find this watch face, it's going to be in the Gear Manager store. I'm telling you, it is worth its weight in gold. This will be your weekend edition watch face, so enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be notified when I drop more videos on this channel, then please make sure you hit the notification bell up top. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.